Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the offline map storage on the Komoot application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile icon next to the record button at the lower side of the screen and click to the settings icon at the upper side of the page. In the account section you can find the app settings, and here click to the offline maps option under the mapbox tracking and click to the select offline map storage option, and you can select the internal memory or the USB storage internal, and just select one, for example the internal memory, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.